Till's on a downstay, and Dom and I are just walking. And Dom's got to look back because his buddy's over there waiting. Come here, Dom. Nice job. Very good. Jack Johnson. Here, Dom. Good boy. Good. He keeps looking back. If only you'd look at me that way. Come on, Till. If only any man would look at me the way Dom looks at you, Till. Come here, Dom. Yeah! Big jackpot for you. Good boy. Yes. You can have the whole dang hot dog for that. Come here, Dom. Yeah, good. Good job. Good job. Nice. Your buddy's over there. Are you watching? Not really, just one ear. I'll give you one ear. Good boy. Can you lay down? Yeah, nice. Good job. Good. There's a couple for you. There you go. Couple more. One for Jack Johnson. One, Jack Johnson got one anyway. Come here, Dom. I just clicked him for looking at Till. I hope you caught that timing, but there goes the whole bag. Here. Good job. I know, that got your hopes up, didn't it? Good job, guys. Here's your whole bonus. For nothing. Here, Till. Come here, Dom. He says, what are you doing? I'm full now. Nice, check back. Good boy. So, you're not always going to have a situation where there's no distractions. There's always going to be something else, you know. They have to learn to come even when there's something else going on. Oh, this is good. Come here, Dom. Yeah, that's better. Good job. Come here, Dom. Good. Good boy.